Are you looking for a simple, digestible way to share your research or creative projects? Do you want to incorporate creativity in the classroom and build community across campus? These small but mighty booklets are called Zines, and they can help you accomplish all of this and more.
My name is Ken Ashley, and I'm here to tell you all about Zines, what they are, why they are beneficial to campus communities, how to make them, and how students and faculty can use them.
What are zines and why are they here? Zines are independently created and distributed works that often resemble pamphlets or booklets, but can take whatever shape the creator decides. The low production costs, ease of distribution, and accessible format of zines make them an inclusive form of free expression and dissemination of information, particularly for individuals who are unable to access traditional platforms but still want to be heard. Zines are also tools for research and publication, encouraging students to share their work in creative and tangible ways. As Bo Brow writes, "There is a magic to holding a zine in your hands, only to be suddenly struck with inspiration to create. Zine libraries have the opportunity to bring this experience to all who visit." How to make zines. If you have something to share with the world, you can create zines that are as simple or complex as you wish. You can even turn one sheet of paper into a miniature booklet with these steps. 1. Fold the paper in half 3 times to create 8 segments. Hot dog, then hamburger again. 2. Unfold the paper and ensure that you have 8 segments. Fold it in half hamburger style, then cut from the middle edge to the center. 3. Unfold the paper and smush it together to create your zine. You can also create a larger zine by folding several sheets of paper into a booklet, or you can use another format by searching for online templates or creating your own. Remember, zines don't have to look any particular way. Zines as academic tools. Because they are easy and affordable to create, zines are a great way to share academic research. Zines can serve as an alternative or supplement to a typical research paper or presentation, enabling students to think outside the box and incorporate skills of writing, communication, creativity, and graphic design. Additionally, students will have a more digestible representation of their research and learning that can be easily shared with peers and professors, or even added to the zine collection at H.C. Hofheimer II Library. Zines as creative and connective endeavors. Zines are also a great opportunity to share various forms of art, such as ideas, photography, poetry, visual art, comics, essays, recipes, and more. You can even make a personal zine, reflecting on events, experiences, and lessons from your own life. Personal zines can be a great outlet for processing emotions in a more constructive way. Zines don't have to be shared with the world, but they can be tools for connecting to others and building community based on shared interest or collaboration. Pip Meyer writes, "In a world where more and more of us spend all day at our computers, zines reconnect us to our bodies and to other human beings."
Whether you are looking to share research, creative work, or personal narratives, zines are an accessible way to bring your ideas into the world and promote creativity and community on campus. Browse our zine collection today at H.C. Hofheimer II Library for inspiration. Then make your own zines and share them with the campus community.